ala hijau tadi mana? Itu yang habis bertemu bang. Nak mulu bang.
Kenapa lewatnya?
Habis dari sini ke Kak Salma lagi ya? Kak Salma? Ya kan Kak Salma pakai begini dari kampus Sarah. Sepatunya yang merah tuh kan enggak yang hitam. Iya Kak. Oh ya yang buat bis. Iya.
Kalau kali ini nanti mau cuci mobil ya. Ya berarti baju ini nggak langsung berarti baju ini tidak mau mobil. Bener nih. Ini kan bilang gitu.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Oh, nakannya yung yun kaya. Ini tuh ajaran nih ya. Jadi penerangan bisa lagi nih. Ya. Nah. Ini lagi rame nih di sini. Teman-teman, ini ada Aja Lamit. Ya, Aja Lamitnya lagi di make up ya. Tuh, Aja Lamit kelihatan ganteng sekali.
Wah, ada Doraemon.
Bukan Doraemon, Dora Amin. Aduh. Aja Lamit di antara dua.
Magic.